A 27-year-old motorcyclist succumbed to injuries he sustained in a motorcycle accident in Portland and becoming the first road fatality for the year for that parish. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come on the program. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 27-year-old motorcyclist passed away as a result of injuries he sustained in an accident on the St. Margaret's Bay Main Road in Portland yesterday. He has been identified as 27-year-old Sanjay Davis, otherwise called Nico, a resident of Mount Pleasant district in the parish. According to police reports, are that shortly after 5 p.m., Davis was traveling on his motorcycle when upon reaching a section of the St. Margaret's Bay Main Road, he lost control of the motorcycle and collided with a truck. He was rushed to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. The Portland police is investigating the matter. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.